Hey guys, it's Jake Hall, the Manufacturing Millennial. Welcome back to another video. So over the weekend, my wife and I, we had a baby, and when we were at the hospital, I couldn't help myself but look at some of the technology that the doctors and nurses were using there, and I happened to recognize a few of the products. So when Melissa and I, we went and checked in, we got these wristbands, and these wristbands have a 1D and also a 2D barcode on it. So the front nurse, when we were getting our information and getting us scheduled to go up to a room, she gave us these wristbands, and then she went ahead and used what I believe was a Griffin GD4500. So this is Datalogic's medical or healthcare version of their Griffin barcode reader. It's a 1D and 2D barcode reader that has the green spot on here that we're all familiar with Datalogic products, and it comes in both a wireless and a wired version. She was using a wireless version, but I have my nice wired version here that I have hooked up to my laptop. So after we had the baby, we went up to the postpartum room, and the doctor came in a few hours later to check on us. We were having lunch, and he was walking around with a Memoir 10. So this is a Android Touch PDA that has a housing built into it that has a barcode reader in the front of it. So there's a couple cool features. I got my barcode reader button to the side here, where you can see I have my green soft spot touch, and then also on my screen as well, I have a built-in barcode reader at the front that I can just move around that stays on top of the screen the entire time to read that. So this is where the doctor was able to get all the information, verify that he was talking to the correct patient, and carry that around on him all the time. So then the final one, this was probably the most common that I saw most of the nurses carrying around, and this was the Rita handheld. So this is a bedside point of care unit. It's a very small, compact 1D and 2D barcode reader, and most of them were carrying them around with a lanyard with a holder like this, probably around their neck, or some of them had them on their carts they were pushing around. So this was something that I saw a lot when Melissa was coming in to get her ibuprofen or medication. The nurse would come up, scan her wrist, verify they had the correct patient, and then administer the drug. So this was another cool product I saw. But those are just three ones I saw around: the 4500, the Memoir 10, and then also the Rita. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me. If there's a cool product here you want to share with someone, go ahead and tag their name below in their comment section. They can see this video. But until then, I hope you guys have a great day. I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow. Stay safe, flatten the curve, and we'll see you then. Take care.